Health risks of using kerosene heaters indoors.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing the health risks associated with using a kerosene heater indoors. Safety should always be a priority, so it's essential to be informed and cautious when using such appliances in our homes.
What is a kerosene heater?
Kerosene heaters are portable heating devices that use kerosene as their primary fuel. They are popular because of their efficiency and ability to provide instant warmth, especially in places where electricity is inconsistent or unavailable.
What are the health risks?
When using a kerosene heater indoors, there are several health risks to be aware of. 1. Carbon monoxide poisoning. Kerosene heaters can produce carbon monoxide, CO, a colorless, odorless gas that can be lethal in high concentrations. Symptoms of CO poisoning include headache, dizziness, weakness, upset stomach, vomiting, chest pain, and confusion. 2. Respiratory issues. Kerosene combustion can release harmful pollutants that can irritate the respiratory system, especially in people with asthma or other respiratory conditions. 3. Fire hazard. If not used properly, kerosene heaters can lead to fires. It's crucial to ensure the device is stable and away from flammable materials. 4. Skin and eye irritation. Direct contact with kerosene or its fumes can cause skin and eye irritation. Make sure the room is well ventilated.
How to mitigate the risks?
1. Proper ventilation. Always ensure there's adequate ventilation when using a kerosene heater indoors. This helps in reducing the concentration of harmful gases. 2. Maintain your heater. Regular maintenance, like cleaning and replacing wicks, can help ensure your heater functions efficiently and safely. 3. Follow manufacturer's instructions. Always adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines regarding operation, maintenance, and fuel types. 4. Keep detectors. It's a good idea to have carbon monoxide detectors installed in your home if you use a kerosene heater. These detectors can alert you to dangerous levels of CO. While kerosene heaters can be a handy source of warmth, it's crucial to be aware of the health risks associated with their indoor use. By staying informed and following safety guidelines, you can enjoy the benefits of these heaters while minimizing potential dangers. Stay safe, and we hope this video has been informative.